What's up, guys? We're back with another episode of The Road to Morocco.
Yeah, we've had a busy couple of weeks, and for those of you who are new here, run the intro.
This is Dan, Captain and Chief Engineer of Operation Van Life. Not to mention, he is growing the meanest moustache on the road.
This is AJ, professional map reading extraordinaire, always bringing the energy and staying one step ahead of our forever changing itinerary.
And this is SJ, our little bundle of energy, always looking to explore the trails whilst keeping us topped up with ice cream.
We swap the norms of living in a house and having careers to live as a full-time van life family, documenting our travels as we embark on a journey of a lifetime with our toy poodles, showing you the highs and lows of full-time van life. One thing's for sure, we always come out laughing together.
In this series, we are travelling from the UK to the Sahara Desert in Morocco in our babe of a motorhome, Pamela Vanderson. And we are taking you guys along with us for the ride.
We are the Travel Box!
And this is our story.
Good morning, guys.
Morning.
This morning we have woken up just outside Malaga. We've been here for a couple of days, just in a tiny little car park, and we have found a new step for the motorhome.
Hey, we had a chat last night and we have decided we're going to have to bite the bullet. As many fixes as I can do on this step, it's not really safe, to be honest, and we've got another 4 months on the road yet, so we're going to bite the bullet and go and get robbed.
Yeah.
So we've just been robbed. We finally made it to a campsite outside of Ronda.
Yeah, our first proper paid campsite, isn't it?
Yeah, so we're being robbed from all angles today.
It feels like it.
So I'm gonna crack on, fit the step, and then AJ's gonna cut my hair because I've got an absolute Lego head, lads. You know. Other news.
Oh, not again. Any bogeys this time?
Come on. Oh, hi Anna.
Hi.
How's that new step looking?
Oh, let me show you. Watch this.
Damn. Down, da, 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 da.
Back up.
Down, da, 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 da. Hey. Hey.
Do you want something? Shall I bring something out for you?
Oh. Hey.
How do you feel about the step?
Best step on the campsite's what it is.
That didn't take long at all to do, did it?
I'm just a legend. I've been saying it for years.
So it's basically saved us what, 130 euros?
Yeah, after 500 quid, Anna.
Yeah, okay, Anna just dropped the camera, but we won't talk about that right now, it's a bit sore subject. Ready for me to go?
There you go, don't drop my phone, please. Oh, she dropped my phone.
I can't leave.
Come on. Trim acquired, step fixed. I'm gonna go and take a shower before we leave, make full use of the ever-flowing water. I'm just gonna stand there like Peter Andre / Justin Timberlake, you know, is what it is. And then we're gonna head off, I think, AJ?
Yeah.
Into Rondon.
It's a big bath, babes.
AJ, what you got, babes? Hey, and obviously a glass of sangria. Come on. So we got Savannah some chicken nuggets and chips. Anna, you got some mushroom risotto. I got some mushroom risotto. Already tried it, bad boy. And then I've tried something I've never had before: oxtail, Spanish oxtail. So last night we took a wander around Ronda.
Yeah, it was lovely. We had a really nice tapas meal, a couple of sangrias.
Yeah, the place is really touristy, but definitely worth going to visit. It's much more than just the bridge, isn't it?
Yeah, the surrounding area is just wonderful. Beautiful views. Yeah, just really nice.
Nice
awesome.
walks,
Yeah,
nice
lovely
buildings.
little hikes around the area.
Really quirky, tight, narrow streets with your traditional Spanish buildings. Highly recommended if you can deal with the tourists. On a side note, Anna got absolutely Wesley Sniped last night by a mosquito. So if anyone watching this feels sorry for Anna, I want you to comment down below, #Wesley.
Stop.
We are going to get the dogs' blood tests done, their titre tests.
That means we have to wait for 2 weeks to get the results back, and in 2 weeks' time, fingers crossed, we get the all clear, and we will be heading to Morocco.
So the dogs had the blood test done. The lady said because of the issues with the flooding in Valencia, they're choosing to send the samples to somewhere else in Germany now. So that means it's going to be about 3 weeks until we get the results back. It's cost us €300. Yeah, that's about it.
We're back in 3 weeks.
Back in 3 weeks.
I got pink.
That's that.
Pasta too. So we batch cook our pasta just to save on pots, really, and then we reheat it over the week. But I batch cooked too much this time, and therefore we've had pasta every chuffing day. I mean, we've all got a bowl of pasta, and there's still some pasta left. It says in Mum.
It's really nice. It's a bit bored pasta now. Not like.
Pasta la vista, baby. So the time is midnight. We've all just had government warnings on our phones that there's going to be extreme rainfall and lightning and thunder, and so yeah, we're obviously bang in the middle of the affected area, and so we're planning to get up in 2 hours time and start driving. And in the meantime, I'm making myself a peanut butter and jam sandwich, because priorities, lads, you know. So we drove through the night, a few hours up to a town called Cordoba, and it's absolutely beautiful. We're going to be here for a few days exploring, just to get us out of that extreme red warning of weather band. Yesterday was a lazy day, wasn't it, AJ?
Yeah, a bit of a write-off. Slept in. It was raining pretty much all day on and off, so we just did have a bit of a chore day, didn't we? food shop and what have you. So yeah.
Malaga's been absolutely
it's awful.
annihilated, man. And again, our hearts, prayers, wishes, all that go out to the families and
been affected.
it's just crazy. What is going on?
Mad. Like, yeah, we were just there, literally. We had the phone warning come through, made the decision to leave through the night, and yeah, thankfully we did.
Yeah, the actual car park we was in, just in front of there, got hit by a tornado. So it was a good, calculated, jam sandwich move.
But we're up here now. We've met up again with our van Susan, our new friends, and we're going to take the kids to the zoo.
Yeah, we're going to go and explore. As I say, we'll be here for a few days, and then we'll probably throw a dart at a map, and hopefully it's not storming.
Fingers crossed.
Hello, babes. Yes, please. Oh, lovely. Oh! Help me! Help me! Look at you go! So this afternoon we've taken a little trip into the old town of Cordoba, and here is the typical bridge that you see on everyone's posts. It is awesome. It's a really, really beautiful place, and let's go and explore. So we're currently in the mosque / cathedral, and it's absolutely just phenomenal. The architecture and the mosaics, it's just beautiful. It is an absolute must. What you guys saying, mate? Was that fun?
Yes.
What are we doing now?
It was fun some ice cream.
We're just trying to find some ice cream for Savannah, because she's been a very good girl going around the mosque, haven't you, mate?
Hey, so we're in the middle of Cordoba and we are at the Roman temple. And it's shut.
So what are we doing now?
We're going to head further into town and see what else is there.
Hey.
So this is the old town centre. It dates back to the 17th century, and apparently that's the old town hall over there, and it's surrounded by an old jail. It's pretty cool.
I bloody told you. Looks like a jail. Either that or a scene out of Assassin's Creed.
And so that's about it for Cordoba, guys. We explored the whole damn place, and it was bloody cracking. It's the zoo, AJ.
Yeah, the zoo was really good. It was about €5 each, wasn't it?
Yeah.
About 5 each.
Yeah, €5 each per adult. Kids were free, and it was great for the kids, as was the park.
Yeah, which was literally just round the corner. That's free off season, and I think even in season it's only a couple of quid. That was wicked.
Then we headed into town, didn't we?
Yeah,
went to the cathedral.
The mosque cathedral.
The mosque cathedral.
Which was awesome. It was beautiful, wasn't it? The architecture.
It was just phenomenal.
I think it was about £10 each.
£11 per person. Kids were free. And then it's we were parked on the outskirts, a kilometre away from the centre.
Right next to the zoo.
Yeah, right next door to the zoo, right next door to the park. There is botanical gardens, isn't there, which we didn't do. But the car parking was free. There was a little attendant bloke which has adopted the car park and just blows his whistle at people.
Ushers you in.
Ushers you in. But we chucked him a £5 just to say gracias. And with that, guys, I think that's it, a wrap for another episode, AJ. So don't forget to like, comment. If you felt sorry for AJ's forehead, Wesley, #Wesley, and we'll see you on the next one.
See ya.